Boo and good day you. How are you going today? Today I thought I actually was in France because check out what I've got hanging around. A whole lot of Frenchies. These Frenchies are born and bred and raised by Marbelle, French Bulldog breeders here in Perth, Western Australia. They've been going since 2017. And these pooches, they're really fit and healthy. I should be eating the same food these guys should be eating. Put on some weight. But yeah, they're getting a paddling pool put in for them. They're very spoiled. And they're treated just like a family. So yeah, check out what's coming up. Whoa, wacko, there's a big hole here. Will be filled soon. Here's the hole at a different angle. Riviera Pools. This will be interesting to watch. Here's the frenner. We've got the doggy outside, dogman, and the crane driver inside. Just doing a test run, making sure it all goes up and down, and put them out, put them in. Ready for when the pool comes in from here. And it's going over to that side of the fence. There's the pool coming in through the gate, just reversing again. The pool will have to be spun around the other way. It's back to front at the moment, how it's coming in. There, it's almost here, it's in position, but when it gets lifted up, it'll have to be spun around, have this end facing the other side. There, it's got the ropes on there now, ready. It's got the guide rope here for the doggy to use when he turns it around, and then just making sure that the chains are all smicked and to the proper length when they go to lift this thing here up. So it'll look pretty professional at the moment, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, they are just levelling off the ground to make sure the pool, when it goes in, it will be level. Looks like too much hard work to me. Yeah, we've got the chains and the straps all rigged up. Going up soon. Now the pool's in, we've got to get the water, so we've got a few of these we're going to have to tip in there. Might take all day, but we'll see. The bottle's taking too long to fill up, so we decided to put the hose in there. That will take a little bit shorter time to fill up. Well, we end up bringing in the big boys, the water carriers. Because filling this thing here up with bottled water first and then with the hose, it's just taking way too long. The Frenchies are hanging to get in there. Check that out, that's filling it up real nice and quick now. And the boys are doing a good job, labouring around the outside, filling it all in the gaps. Woohoo! Good times ahead for the doggies. That Frenchie.
Mana. Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana 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 mana.
There you have it, the paddling pool for the Frenchies. All you do is landscaping around the side, get the pump put in, and she's ready. Oh, and the fence up. So don't forget, like my stuff, give me a like, thumbs up, follow, subscribe. Have a great day. Cheers.